Okay, so Shubham, let's go ahead with your HR snap for NPCIL, right? Okay,
Yes,
your
sir.
brief introduction from your side, Shubham.
My name is Shubham Goel and I'm from Bathinda, Punjab. I have done my graduation in B.Tech Civil Engineering from NITIE Jalandhar with an aggregate CGP of 8.31. I have done my senior secondary and matriculation from Bathinda itself only with a percentage of 94.4 and 95.8 respectively. Right now, sir, I'm working in Larsen and Toubro Constructions in their ports and harbor segment. And my hobbies include participating in extracurricular activities. Like I was very much interested in writing essays, reading books during my college times. And now, whenever I get some free time, I do some productive activities like studying more about civil engineering.
Okay, Shubham, tell me something about Bathinda.
Bathinda. Yes, sir. Bathinda derives its name from Bhatti kings, like the kings who used to rule over here. The very famous thing over here is Killa Mubarak, which is said to be ruled, which is said to be like has jailed Razia Sultan, the first queen empress who ruled over India. And plus, it is also referred to as beautiful city of lakes because lakes were there, which used to accompany thermal power plant. But now thermal power plant is closed, and so but lakes are still there. And sir, Bathinda is a small city, I guess fifth largest in Punjab, located in southern part with a tropical climate, and it's beautiful. It's my hometown, sir. It's very close to my heart.
You don't have a refinery in Bathinda?
Yes, sir. We have Guru Nanak Dev Oil Refinery, and we have refinery. Plus, we have in nearby suburbs, we have one more thermal power plant in Lehra Mohabbat. And what else we have in Bathinda?
What is the name of that thermal power
plant? It's I guess Guru Hargobind Singh Thermal Power Plant.
Are you sure?
No, sir, I don't know about that.
Okay, so what do you know about a refinery?
Refinery. Sir, I know that crude oil is transported through pipelines to that place. And
which company it is of? Which company?
The oil refinery over here in India.
No, Bathinda की जो oil refinery कौन सी company का है?
No idea, sir.
Okay, now tell me what do you know about NPCIL?
NPCIL, sir. Sir. It's Expansion and Nuclear Power Corporation of India Limited. It is one of the, it comes under the Department of Atomic Energy. It is responsible for producing nuclear electricity, which is the fifth most dominant source of electricity in India. It has 22 nuclear reactors, eight boilers, and so it has plants in Rawatbhat, Tarapur.
Okay, do you have nuclear reactor in Punjab?
No, sir, we don't have.
Haryana?
One in Haryana, sir, we don't have.
Himachal Pradesh?
No, sir, in Himachal
Jammu and Kashmir?
No, sir.
So why all these 4 states without any nuclear reactor?
I guess, sir, we here hydroelectricity is available. So basically we are relying on that. Plus thermal power plants are also there. Plus we don't have large areas like Rajasthan has very large area left over. Here we are dominantly like agricultural dominating states.
So if
we don't have
agriculture dominating state, you cannot create nuclear reactor. Is that what you're saying?
No, sir, not. I didn't mean that. But here, like most of the land we have devoted, we don't have that much of land which we can devote to nuclear power plant.
Okay, what is your opinion? More land is required for nuclear power plant or thermal power plant? Or hydel power plant? If I ask you that way.
Okay. Sir. Okay. Sir. Nuclear power plant.
Do you recommend that nuclear power plant should be there in Bathinda? You advise that? What is your opinion on that if we ask you?
Yes, sir, it's going to increase my value of my city. Like already we have aims also in our city. So it's going to add plus points.
What problems do you think we will face if we think of creating nuclear reactor in Bathinda?
The major problem can be, sir, source, like the fuel, the availability of fuel. It has to be
supplied anywhere. If the fuel can go to Rajasthan, it can come to Bathinda also. and it is not in tons, it is in grams.
Right, sir. So
Do you
what
think
difficulty
coal,
we
if the coal can come to Punjab in tons, don't you think in grams uranium can also come?
Yes, sir, definitely it can come. Okay, so what constraint we can have is that already Bathinda is known as cancer belt, sir. So people will be like very in a protesting nature. So people will protest about setting up a nuclear plant. They'll feel endangered. So the major problem we can have is that satisfying the mass people that yes, it is safe mode of electricity. We can set up one in our city, and it will be reliable and provide opportunity.
Okay, what is the contribution of nuclear energy in overall electricity generation in India?
Okay, it's 3.68%, sir. As of 2018, I don't know the revised statistics, but it's like about 5. We can say 3 to 5% overall.
So Shubham, what is the nuclear pollution?
Nuclear pollution, sir. Okay, nuclear pollution is so the major problem is the disposal problem that we face of the spent fuel that is to be used. So we have to bury it under the water. That is the most feasible option available. So it can pollute the underwater. It can pollute our water sources like sea.
अच्छा,
Wherever
अगर
we
मैं
are
आउटर
going
स्पेस
to.
में छोड़ दूं तो क्या ट्रबल होगा उससे? अभी स्पेस टूरिज्म स्टार्ट हो गया ना?
Yes,
तो
sir.
अगर मैं न्यूक्लियर वेस्ट को फ्यूल को स्पेस में छोड़ दूं, then what is the trouble?
I guess, sir, no trouble. We face no trouble. Maybe until they collide with any of our spaceships and all.
That is good, no? स्पेस तो कोई लिमिट ही नहीं है उसकी.
Yes, sir.
स्पेसक्राफ्ट में उसको भेज देते हैं, क्या ट्रबल है उसमें? Can that be done?
It will get. Yes, sir, it can be done. Only if we don't face issues of radioactivity, like getting exposure
आउटर
from that.
स्पेस में रेडियो एक्टिविटी का क्या लेना देना? वहाँ ह्यूमन बीइंग तो है ही नहीं.
Sir, already so many elements are there in this space. So yes, we can definitely set.
So why don't we do that?
Maybe our scientists haven't involved their minds in that as well.
So if we can think of, don't you think scientists will think of this option?
Yes, sir, they can.
They are more into that, no? Okay, now Shubham, why would you like to join NPCIL? Tell me. And you will be posted in the South India.
Yes, sir. Sir, what I found about reading about NPCIL, that yes, definitely it's very good. First, it will be like a moment of pride for me. More than happiness, I'll be feeling proud that yes, from very few people who get selected in NPCIL, I am one. I am working there. And I'll be seeing things which a normal person or a common man would rarely see in his lifetime. I'll get exposure.
Okay, if you get opportunity to work in BARC and NPCIL, which one will you choose and why?
Sir, I'll choose BARC, sir, over NPCIL because it has more opportunity, more scientists. Like I guess both are same, but I'll get more opportunity of research in BARC. Sir.
So would you like to go for BARC and research?
Yes, sir. I very much like research work.
So did you try?
No. Right now, sir, I filled the form for BRC. So, and I've applied on the basis of both GATE and exam. Let's see what happens. Sir.
So we wish you all the very best for BARC, Shubham.
Okay, sir. But still take me into NPCIL as well.
Okay, Shubham. So how was it, Shubham? Let me give you the feedback. How was it?
Okay.
क्या लगता है कि हम mistakes किए आपने?
Sir, my mistakes were like to the point answers were not given. I was
without thinking, बहुत fast pace पे आंसर कर रहे हो बिना सोचे.
Yes, sir.
और दूसरा informal हो.
Okay, sir.
Be formal in your answering. And कोई भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर करना है बिल्कुल पहले सोच के आंसर करना है. You should not be in hurry. कि BARC अच्छा लगता है कि NPCIL अच्छा लगता है. सर BARC में जाना है और इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो NPCIL का. So you understand, शुभम? तो तुम्हें क्यों लेगा बताओ? Got my point. So you need to be very meticulous. Sir, BARC is a great organization, but I don't think I have a research bent of mind. I want to work in a nuclear power plant. That is what I think of, because BARC के लिए सर research aptitude is required. I don't think I have it. मतलब मेरे को उसमें इंटरेस्ट नहीं है सर. बस बात खत्म. उसके बाद पावर प्लांट लगा दें सर पावर प्लांट आई डोंट नो बिकॉज इट इज अ पॉलिटिकल इशू बट आई अंडरस्टैंड इफ एज इंडिविजुअल आई एम टू बी आस्क्ड एज अ टेक्नोक्रेट ऑब्वियसली आई वुड लाइक कि इंडिया का जो एनर्जी शॉर्टेज है उसको मीट करने के लिए एवरी स्टेट शुड हैव अ न्यूक्लियर रिएक्टर एट अ suitable place. Obviously that NPCIL will decide where it should be. It can be in Punjab also, but suitable place is to be identified. Okay, why then there is no reactor? Maybe sir, these are the maybe because other option of energy harnessing are there, like in Himachal there is a hydropower plant, Jammu Kashmir also, and maybe in Punjab there is a thermal power plant, but I am not very sure sir why no reactor in Punjab. Even I am surprised that there should be a reactor and there is no reactor. So that way you have to answer these questions. And then about nuclear fuel and other HR also you listen about NPCIL which I've asked, right? But ticklish question can be asked Shubham from you, और तुम बहुत ही informal answer कर रहे थे जब फंस जा रहे थे. You need not to be informal in that situation, right? Don't be informal. और ऐसा ब्लंडर नहीं करना कि किसी और ऑर्गेनाइजेशन को बोलो हाँ साहब मेरे को उसमें जाना है, ये नहीं बोलना.
हाँ सर, ओके.
ये तो तुम्हें बोलेंगे बेस्ट ऑफ लक फॉर बीआरसी, राइट?
हाँ सर,
डोंट डू दैट. ठीक है. और अभी दो शुभम और एचआर दो मेरे साथ. हाँ, ये क्वेश्चन सारे लिख लो, इनके आंसर ढूंढ के. मैंने आंसर भी बताए, बाकियों के भी सुनो एंड लेट्स प्रोसीड फॉर दैट, राइट?
यस सर, यस सर.
ओके शुभम, थैंक यू.
सर, ओके.